Hi, I'm Lozina, a bachelor in information systems certified in AWS Cloud. Welcome to my channel. Here we explore artificial intelligence, blockchain, the future of computing, digital sustainability, and the technologies transforming our world. My goal is to explain complex concepts in a clear, visual, and direct way. It decides what you see online. It handles your money, and it might even diagnose your health before a doctor does. Artificial intelligence isn't a promise of the future, it is the invisible operating system of our current reality. But what exactly is it? Let's clear the smoke. AI is not magic, and it is definitely not a conscious robot that thinks like us. Let's think about this with a cooking analogy. Traditional programming is like giving a machine an unchangeable recipe. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. If an ingredient is missing, the machine stops and fails. Modern artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is like an apprentice chef who doesn't read the recipe but watches a master cook 1,000,000 times. The AI analyzes the results, the data, and learns the patterns of temperature and flavor to achieve the goal on its own. It doesn't understand the food, but it mimics the learning process through massive data experience. Technically, the most common engine of today's AI is machine learning, and specifically neural networks. It works in layers. First, we have the input layer, where we inject massive amounts of raw data, photos, text, numbers. That data passes to the hidden layers. This is where the mathematical magic happens. Thousands of tiny nodes, vaguely inspired by our own neurons, adjust their connections, called weights and biases, to find microscopic patterns that a human would never see. Finally, we reach the output layer, which gives us a prediction or a decision. Is this a cat? Is this email spam? The training process consists of the network making mistakes millions of times and adjusting its connections until the error is minimized. Why is this exploding now? Because for the first time in history we have two things: brutal computing power and oceans of digital data generated every second. AI is important because it solves the problem of information overload. It allows us to automate not just physical tasks, but complex cognitive tasks with superhuman speed and precision. It is the tool that unlocks innovation in fields that were stagnant because of our human inability to process more data. Its impact is already tangible. In medicine, it analyzes X-rays to detect cancer before specialists can. In digital infrastructure, it optimizes the energy consumption of entire cities in real time. In business, it powers instant customer service, and in science, it accelerates the discovery of new materials or drugs. And of course, in your daily tech, it's what unlocks your phone with your face or makes Google Maps suggest the fastest route. But let's be balanced. AI is not perfect. Its benefits are clear: extreme efficiency, 24/7 operation without fatigue, and unmatched precision in repetitive tasks. However, its limitations are risky. AI is only as good as the data it receives. If the data has human biases, like racism or sexism, the AI will amplify those biases. It also suffers from hallucinations, giving incorrect answers with total confidence. And let's not forget the technological barrier of its massive energy consumption to train the largest models. To summarize, 1. AI is not magic or consciousness. It is advanced mathematics designed to find complex patterns in data. 2. It works through neural networks that learn from experience, not fixed rules. And 3. It is the most powerful tool of our era, with immense potential to solve global problems, provided we manage its ethical and technical risks. Thanks for watching. If you like learning about AI, blockchain, digital energy, and future technologies, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll keep exploring the tech world in the next video.